pitcher as a closer. He uses his changeup as well as his slider.
It hit him. No, it hit the bat. So we go from a hit batter to a strikeout on a foul tip. And Joe Madden asking for help. So the other umpires are going to chime in. Ryan Blackney will get some help. Let's see.
I couldn't tell. I thought first time I saw it, I thought it hit the bat. The second time I thought it brushed his hand.
You see Blackney saying, I got foul tip. Off the bat, right into the glove, which would be a strikeout.
And asking if anybody's seen anything different. They're going to take a look.
Well, this is huge. Goes from the tying run on base with nobody out to 1 out, nobody on. And will we be able to tell?
That doesn't help much, does it? That look?
I think it might be. I don't know if they're going to be able to overturn this.
I don't think so.
And I will give Ryan Blackney the benefit of the doubt, and Kris Bryant. I mean, he thought it hit him, but if you're the home plate umpire, you hear something, you're
right.
taking an educated guess.
Right. That's right. As a hitter, you want to sell it. You want to drop the bat, shake the hand, and let everybody in the world know you got hit.
See, Kris Bryant is an earnest guy, and I think his natural reaction was to walk to first.
I'm with you.
Sadly, the guys in New York can't say, well, Kris Bryant is very believable.
Yeah, they don't have a.
So we're going to give him the base.
They don't have a file on every pitcher and every player in the game where they could check the believability factor. Well, they're going to give it to him.
They gave it to him. That is huge. I'm pleasantly surprised